Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off the voicemail on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Now, if you no longer want to use a voicemail, you don't necessarily want people to be able to call and leave a message. Maybe you're leaving your phone, maybe in the United States or whatever your home country is, and you don't necessarily want people leaving messages on there that you will never get. You can always turn it off. I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is hop into your settings, and we're going to scroll down until we get to the phone and tap on that. Now on here you can see call forwarding. You can go in here, you can have the ability to toggle this on. If you wanted to just forward any of those calls to a different device. This is a good option if you're traveling internationally and you don't want voicemails going to this phone, but you might want it to go to a different phone number. You can always just forward all those voicemails over. So that's one option you have. The second option is to completely disable it on your phone. Let's go into the phone app here, and you're going to type in this code and then the pound symbol and then hit that call. Now you can see it pops up with this stuff, setting the activation successful. All of these different things has deactivated, and you can just hit dismiss, and now you can have somebody else try to call your phone to confirm that the voicemail has been deactivated. Now keep in mind, this doesn't work with every single carrier. It depends whether they have basically that turned on as a feature. If you go through all of this and it still doesn't work, you might just need to look up the customer service for your specific carrier, give them a call and say, for whatever reason you're wanting to disable or turn off your voicemail, and they'll walk you through the steps or just do it on their end to completely disable that voicemail. So that's basically how you can turn off the voicemail on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.